This is Team Curb Your Caymans. I'm the team leader, Ajit, and this is my teammate, Ankit. We also have another teammate, Minakshi, but she couldn't join us, unfortunately, due to some reason. So I'll just give the quick product demo. We have chosen healthcare as our track, healthcare as our project track, and our project is titled MCare, which is medicines and COVID related resources for everyone. So we have created a web application as well as an Android application to implement our idea. So if someone comes on the website, they'll be shown this COVID-19 Help Center. So as a part of our project, we have implemented a COVID-19 dashboard, a COVID-19 community health forum, as well as we have implemented the Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana, which is the PMBJP scheme, which enables us to prescribe the cheapest medicines available in the market for any given prescription. So coming on to the COVID-19 Health Center first, if we visit the Help Center, we'll be routed to this page, which is our COVID-19 Help Center, which contains an option to go to the Ask for Help section, or we can scroll down to the dashboard. Here we have several options such as procuring remdesivir, tocilizumab, or live oxygen leads information, or garnering the hospital beds availability. We can check for live blood stock and plasma. We can check for blood banks and ambulance services. Also, we can search for vaccination centers near our location. If we scroll down, we have the state helpline numbers. If we scroll down further, what we are doing over here is we are displaying COVID appropriate behavior to our audience. Basically, our target audience are the poor and uninformed people, people who are going to fall into the trap of misinformation the most, those who are going to fall into the trap of going into the black market for scarce resources. So what we are displaying here is the message of staying home, wearing masks, and saving lives. Also below here, we are showing the 6 steps towards ensuring safety in these times of crisis, which is keeping our hands sanitized. And below here, we are showing our motto, which is wearing masks and saving lives. So let's give a quick demo on any one of these. So if I want to find remdesivir in any Indian state, I can simply search for Delhi. And if I search for that, I'll be shown remdesivir stock in Delhi. If I go back, I can even check for tocilizumab in the same way, blood banks and ambulance services and vaccination centers in the same way. Only thing is that in vaccination center, we can search for our district. Also, we have added live oxygen leads. If someone clicks on any state such as Assam, they'll be routed to this sprinkler page, which contains oxygen leads compiled via Twitter and made for developers by developers as in open source social goodwill. And for hospital beds availability, because hospital beds data is going to be live, so we cannot just store a data in a database and keep on updating it every hour. So instead, we chose to use the official government live sources for that. And if someone wants to see the hospital data for any major state or major Indian cities, for example, in Maharashtra, we want to see the live data for Pune, they'll be simply routed to the government hospital dashboard, which contains all the live information about the hospital bed availability. So if I come back, similarly for live blood stock and plasma, we have chosen E-Rakt Kosh by National Health Mission as our main supplier of data. So we can come here and we can select the states, district, all blood. We can select the blood groups, and then we can search for live stock blood stock availability. Then we have chosen U blood so as to we can donate plasma. We will be simply routed to their website because this is for public. So this is a live website. So everyone can use our website in these current times to avail information. As an added concept, we have introduced a COVID dedicated forum because nowadays people are openly distributing their data on social media websites for procuring emergency information. Instead of that, someone can simply come to our website and ask for help. So if one clicks on the ask for help section, they'll be routed to this page. So we have just added two posts, an example post. So these mean nothing. These are just examples. If you want to create a help post, one can simply click on this button and they'll be given this form to fill. So I can enter my name. I can enter the name of the patient. I can take any test person. So I'll just simply add test 2. I can select the patient category. This is important for in the case of COVID-19 because COVID-19 affects different people in different way. We can ask for gender. We can select the state. And in our case, it's Maharashtra. We can select the district, which is Mumbai suburban, since I live there. And if I want oxygen, we can select the critical resource which we want, remdesivir, for example, and I can add my contact as well as I can add my phone number, and I submit it. I submit the information. All this data will be posted live on our website for everyone to see, and then everyone can help this test to adult female person, which is a patient and requires emergency remdesivir. Also, we are displaying the data according to the time at which it was posted. For example, now here I posted this, so this is our top result, and the things which were posted earlier will be shown down. If I want to help this person, I can click on help now, and then here I'll be shown the contact details of that person, and then I can further contact them. If I click on this mailing option, the default mail service of the browser or the desktop will open, and on it will be added a subject as well as a body text for the mail. And if some, for example, if we want to come, if someone has completed a help, they can simply the admin, because we have simply introduced this as a concept for now, this community help forum. We are planning to improve on it after the hackathon is over, because we only had 40 hours to or so to work. So if I click, if I go over here and I go to the admin section, I can actually, for now, we can edit it from here. And for example, if I want to complete this query, I can simply select on is completed. I can save, and if I go back to the website, see, so the task is now completed. So if a query is completed, it will simply display help completed, thank you. And over here we are also attaching extra more resources links, which simply links to a Google Drive, which contains India-wide COVID-19 resources. So in such a manner, we have implemented our COVID-19 dashboard as well as community health center. Also below, we have displayed COVID appropriate behavior. So if I go back to our website, in our second section, as a part of second section, we have implemented the PMBJP scheme, which is a Jan Aushadhi scheme. But basically what happens is, in this scheme, government has generic medicines available at a lower cost than the open market medicines. So, but many people are unaware of it. So therefore they end up paying more than what they could have in normal cases. So what we are simply doing is we are making them aware of this scheme, and we have implemented a search function where people can search for their prescription, and they will be shown the cheapest medicine. And generally the generic medicine from Jan Aushadhi scheme of the government are the cheapest medicines for any prescription in the market. For example, if one searches for paracetamol in the database which we have compiled from government sources, as we have used pandas pandas in Django, and we have integrated the backend, basically put the data into a pandas data frame, then perform search operation on it, and then displaying the results onto the website. So if I search for paracetamol, the cheapest result for paracetamol in the market is a Jan Aushadhi product priced at 4.51 rupees, whereas the normal open market product, the cheapest open market product is 5 rupees. So basically in these two products, the price difference is about almost 10%. So if someone buys a medicine from Jan Aushadhi seller rather than their market seller, so if someone is aware of this scheme, they can save 11% of their money. And if I want to see other results for paracetamol, all the market results, we have implemented our database, and we are showing the data from that database. So if they want to see, they can see here. But the main concept is that they can avail the cheapest product in the market using the Jan Aushadhi products. So what we want to do is promote the Jan Aushadhi scheme, and also our target audience is the poor and the uninformed, for whom we want to save their money. Also, these people are most likely to be unaware of things, so we are displaying information about the prescription as well, and we are displaying the use cases, side effects, and whether the prescription is habit forming or not. Also, we have options to search Google or search for Wikipedia for the given prescription. And if we scroll down further, we are also displaying YouTube videos for that particular prescription. Now, how we have implemented here, this is via the usage of Google Developers Console via the YouTube data API. So what we are doing is we are passing in the search query to the API, and we are getting back the JSON data, and we are procuring the ID, YouTube video ID from it, and then we are passing it to the URL, and then putting it into the embed function which YouTube provides for developers. So by this manner, we are displaying top 3 relevant YouTube videos for any given prescription. So if I go back and I quickly search for any prescription, say diclofenac, which is another common drug sold in found in Indian households, and if I search for it, I'll be shown the search results in which the cheapest medicine is again a Jan Aushadhi product. And again, see, even in a 2 rupees product, the percentage savings, if someone knew of this scheme, is 37.5%. So they can save their money, then they can they can see the displayed information, they can see the Wikipedia search result, they can see the Google search result, they can check whether the medicine is habit forming or not, whether it has side effects, and what are the use cases. Also, this time the query passed into the API was diclofenac, and we got back these particular videos from the API. So if I go back to home section, below that, below our prescribed medicine section, what we have done is simply displayed the adverts so as to promote the Jan Aushadhi scheme, because our motto is not only to just implement the Jan Aushadhi scheme and display the cheapest medicines available for any prescription in the market, but also promote the Jan Aushadhi scheme. So we are simply displaying the data on a carousel. So we are displaying the vision of the Jan Aushadhi scheme, which is to bring down the healthcare budget of every citizen of India by providing quality medicines at cheaper prices. And generic medicines are as good as generic medicines which are stored at Jan Aushadhi Kendras are as effective as open market medicines. Also, they are quite cheaper since they're not sold for profit. Also, what we are doing, we're displaying a message that if someone is buying medicines from a Jan Aushadhi seller, they are helping towards realizing a social movement, since Jan Aushadhi Kendras provide employment to thousands of people around the country. Also, this is the motto of the Jan Aushadhi scheme, serving the nations with quality medicines at affordable prices. Over here, since the people which you want to serve are generally uninformed of the scheme, we are showing the relevant links for the Jan Aushadhi scheme. Again, a simple bootstrap card, nothing too much. We are displaying the links. We are displaying the link to the official website, and we are displaying a relevant YouTube video. This YouTube video will provide a good starter for someone who doesn't have any knowledge about the Jan Aushadhi scheme. Also, we have added the links to locating a Jan Aushadhi store near me, so that people can know where to buy these cheap and high quality medicines from. So if someone goes to locate a Jan Aushadhi store, they'll be redirected to their official website. Over here, they can search for India's map. They can see the relevant, they can simply search for their place where they want, and they'll be displayed all the Jan Aushadhi stores nearby them. So I believe in Mumbai, and as a result, I can see all the stores in Mumbai, which are the Jan Aushadhi Kendras, and I can buy medicines from here at a cheaper rate. So if I come back, so this was our entire project, our healthcare project titled M-Care, which primarily serves to not only provide cheapest medicines in a market for a given prescription, but also in these times, in these difficult times of COVID-19, we are providing people with a COVID-19 dashboard so that they do not have to run in the black market, go and end up pay more than what they have to. And also we are implementing a forum, community forum, so that they can ask for help from their fellow compatriots. So thank you. This was our project, and also we have an Android app. Thank you.